Outsourcing in civil engineering is rapidly reshaping how infrastructure projects are designed and delivered. This shift has led many engineers to ask whether their jobs are still secure. In the early stages, outsourcing was often understood simply as handing off low-value tasks to external providers to cut costs. From there arose the fear that experienced engineers would be replaced by talent in lower-cost regions. Today, however, the industry has moved into a new phase where the impact on in-house teams is less about job loss and more about how resources are organized, and the engineer's role is elevated. If outsourcing is managed solely as a cost-cutting tool, the consequences are predictable: a thinning domestic talent pool, fewer training opportunities for young professionals, a shortage of mid-level engineers, and an erosion of internal know-how. Loose coordination can turn time zone differences and varying standards into costly incidents or erode project margins. Without a clear integration process, outsourcing risks undermining quality, morale, and job security alike. Yet the very global factors that once seemed threatening can, if properly managed, strengthen internal teams. When outsourcing is treated as a way to augment rather than replace capabilities, companies can delegate high-volume repetitive tasks such as clash detection, quantity takeoffs, or basic drawing production to external studios equipped with advanced technology and automation. Internal engineers then focus on higher-value work, navigating regulations, exercising complex judgment, and building client relationships. This hybrid model not only accelerates schedules, but also elevates the strategic role of domestic staff. This is exactly how AXA Engineers delivers civil engineering services under a modern outsourcing model, emphasizing stability and quality rather than just cost savings. According to official materials, AXA Engineers connects highly skilled engineers with design firms worldwide. Unlike short-term outsourcing, AXA Engineers builds stable, well-trained teams deeply integrated into clients' workflows, deploying advanced software tools and adhering strictly to quality standards. This approach allows clients to flex workloads while safeguarding their core teams, ensuring data and intellectual property security, and freeing internal staff to focus on design leadership and innovation instead of firefighting. Working with a disciplined partner such as AXA Engineers also opens professional development opportunities for in-house personnel. Engineers gain exposure to best practices, new technologies, and international standards, thereby enhancing their skills rather than losing ground. Instead of hollowing out knowledge, this form of outsourcing sustains and expands it, creating a more resilient and innovative organization. For individual engineers, the ability to manage distributed teams has become a sought-after competency. Overseeing scope, schedules, and quality across cultures and time zones positions engineers to advance their careers rather than stall them. Acting as the bridge between internal and external resources, they become indispensable to project delivery and to their own progression. Does outsourcing in civil engineering affect internal teams and job security? If done passively, driven only by price, the answer is yes. It can erode wages and expertise. If executed strategically with clear metrics, quality gates, and two-way training, it becomes a solid scaffolding. External partners handle high volumes, freeing in-house engineers to concentrate on creative and judgment-driven work that no spreadsheet can price. AXA Engineers illustrates how this model works in practice, turning global collaboration from a risk into an asset. The future of the industry will not be defined by resisting outsourcing, but by mastering it, transforming what once looked like a threat into a launchpad for innovation, resilience, and career growth.